news. Today we'll be going around lunches and asking people what their favorite part of pep rally is. I'm here with
Colby.
And today I'll be asking him what his favorite part of pep rally is.
Definitely the game and cheering on my class.
Thank you. I'm here with
Jack Freilich. Tage Ellsworth.
What is your favorite part of pep rally?
Being on Ramon's shoulders when we won.
Storming the gymnasium after the juniors won twice, by the way.
Thank you. I'm here with
Bo.
And today I'll be asking him what his favorite part of pep rally is.
My favorite part of the pep rally is the game, because we always win.
Thank you. I'm here with
John.
And today I'll be asking him what his favorite part of pep rally is.
Like the fun part where it's like, yeah, you got your lights and hanging them in the air. That's cool.
Okay, thank you. I'm here with
Ashley.
And today we'll be asking her what her favorite part of pep rally is.
It's the class game.
Okay, thank you. I'm here with
Braden.
And today we'll be asking him what his favorite part of pep rally is.
The class chant.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome back to 99.5 The Eagle. We're gonna call a soon-to-be husband. His fiance asked us to act like there's a problem with the flowers to get him riled up on his birthday, because that's what we love to do here.
That is right. It's time for the birthday scam. So we're gonna make that call now.
Hello?
Is this a Mr. O'Neill?
Yes,
Calling
it
about
is.
the flowers for the wedding. You ordered the violet, right?
Yeah.
Well, due to the more exotic nature of the flowers you guys requested, we won't be able to get them here till the 1st. I understand that's a
really?
complication with your wedding.
Yeah, it's like a week before that.
Yeah, that's the thing, is that's really the kicker right
Can I
there.
at
is
least
we
get
can't
my
get your
deposit
deposit
back?
back. It's just, there's no way. We're having a bad fiscal year.
Oh.
It's kind of how things are shaking out
Man,
right now.
why
Which is
does
we're trying
always
to make
gotta
this
happen to
courtesy
me,
call.
man? Like, I don't even want this wedding to happen. If I'm being real with you, I've never liked her. She kind of trapped me one day. It's just not much I can really do about it. But like, you know, sometimes people tell me when I see the girl I like,
right?
I'ma feel it.
aiming
You know what I mean? But I look at her and I get a little pissed off. I want to die when I see her.
Well, don't say that. No.
No, I want to die. I want to get in a fiery accident. I want to be set on fire. I might be setting myself on fire tonight after you told me that. I might be
That's
not
unfortunate.
here tomorrow.
You feel that way?
Yeah, I feel that way. I don't want to be here because of her.
Let me stop you there, sir. I don't know if this is good news or bad news, but you are on the air with Dean and Raj on the Eagle.
Oh.
That's right. Your wife wanted us to call and set this up. It's the birthday scam. So you've been on air. Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about that.
So I want to wish you a happy birthday and good luck with the wedding.
Was that censored? I hope it was.
I still will not pick up the Ouija board though. So don't ask me. Anybody? Somebody. Hello. This morning I get up and silent. I take a look in the mirror like eyes. Oh, what you did to me. I spit on my ears and believe it. Oh, what you did to me. I spit on my ears and believe somebody. And I just can't get somebody. Somebody find somebody. And anybody. find me somebody to love.
Today on Eagle Eye News, we're gonna go interview people about how they feel about the new Drake album.
I want to know how y'all feel about the new Drake album.
I didn't really listen to it yet, but I've heard one song with SZA. It was good.
I like his album. I like anything Drake, but his album was good. He real heartbroken.
Okay.
You got this? But what do I look like listening to a Drake album, bro? But I'm dark-skinned. Dark-skinned people don't listen to Drake, bro. Him, you listen to Drake, don't you?
Yeah, nah.
Nah, you know why? Because he from Beaumont, real name. You know me. Come on.
I felt like, yeah, it was hard. It was hard. Yeah, like it was good. Oh, the Drake album was good. I give it like a 9 out of 10.
Favorite song?
Huh?
Favorite song?
My favorite song on there was probably the Bahama one.
Bahama Paradise?
Yeah, Bahama Paradise. That joint was hard. It was hard. That was it.
This game recommendation is another game I played called Honkai Star Rail. Honkai Star Rail is a turn-based RPG game. Each character has unique abilities, moves, and techniques. The visuals are amazing and make the game feel really smooth to play. This game even has a battle pass. Get rewards from completing missions and finishing quests. You can even talk to your favorite in-game character. Characters have light cones, traces, and relics that are used to increase their power and skill damage. Use the various calcs to get resources for your characters, and defeat stagments for boss drops. Weekly bosses are the hardest bosses to fight, especially the newest weekly boss with 3 different phases. Try to get new characters using the warp banner. The most powerful character is a 5-star. This game has amazing areas and sights to see, and always has plenty of events going on. Like, way too many. Go download Honkai Star Rail and aim for the highest damage possible. First-time players get a free 20 pool when they start. I hope you enjoyed the gameplay and the amazing graphics when you download this game. It's worth it, I promise.
Hello, I'm Reece C.
And I'm Cameron.
And this is going to be an origami tutorial on how to make a cup. I know that we've all experienced a situation where we're at a water fountain, but we have no cup for said water. So now, you'll never be caught without a cup again, presuming you have paper. And I've brought my friend along here to show that just about anyone can do it, because not everyone's super skilled at origami like yours truly. So, let's begin. Alright, so first step you need is a piece of paper. Any piece of paper will do, but because we're going to make it a square. Don't use lined paper, because if you use lined paper, the ink will bleed through when you use the cup, and I don't think you want ink in your water. So the first step is to make a square. If you've ever made a paper snowflake, it's quite similar, and you first do this and fold it over.
Okay.
So that you have a straight line. You'll also need a pair of scissors for this step.
Like this?
Just like that.
Mine's not gonna be professional.
That's the idea.
But hey, I know nothing about origami.
Okay, so then, you see this extra bit? Cut it off. Right, so now you have a lovely, lovely triangle. And if you were to open it, it makes a square. But we're not going to open it. We're going to leave it as a triangle.
Nice.
So, the first step that you're going to need to do is make sure that the bottom of the triangle is facing you. Okay? Then you're going to take, and also make sure that when it opens, the opening is away from you. Because if it's like this, the opening will be in the bottom of the cup. So make sure the opening faces away from you. Next step is going to be take the corner and form a straight line across, like so. so that you have a line across here, making a small triangle here. Good? Okay. Then you're going to take your other corner and you're going to do the exact same thing. At this point, you should have a pentagon. Okay. Next step is the most important. You're going to want to take the top and open it like this. Okay? So you're going to take, with these folds right here facing towards you, you're going to take the back flap and fold that down. Like this. But you still have one flap up.
There we go.
You're then going to see this little pocket you can kind of make. It's a little hard to see on a video. But then you take your other flap and put it in there. This is what holds the cup together.
So you take which one?
Take it in there and just tuck it in. Then kind of crease the top.
I see.
So then you should be able to open it up and you have a cup.
Whoa! Did I do it right?
Actually, you opened up in the wrong place. Yeah, but look. See?
Wow.
Good cup. So now we're going to go test it. All right, this is going to be the test of Cameron's cup.
I don't think it's gonna work, guys. We'll see.
She doesn't think it's going to work. Remember, one-time use.
Whoa! It's holding. And there it is. It works.
Of course it works.
That's crazy.
Can't really see that.
A nice refreshing drink.
Remember, folks, one-time use. And that's all for the Eagle Eye News.